video, we are going to learn about integers. Integers is a special set of numbers comprising 0, positive number, and a negative number. Integers are the collection of negative numbers and whole numbers. As we all know that whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 are natural numbers. So, integers are negative numbers, 0 and a natural numbers. Now, I am going to draw a number line and explain one by one. 0 lies in the middle of the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are positive counting numbers. So, these are the positive integers. They lie on the right side of 0. -1, -2, -3 are negative counting numbers. They are called negative integers. They lie on the left side of the number 0. The number line goes to infinity in both the direction. Infinity in both the direction. If we move towards the right on the number line, the value will increase. When we move to the left side of the number line, the value will decrease. Next, we are going to mark -2 on the number line. As we all know that 0 lies on the middle of the number line. So, I am going to mark -2. Minus lies in the left of the number line. So, we have to go 2 steps. So, we reach -2. Shall we do one more? Mark 8 on number line. First, we have to go to 0. 0 is at the center of the number line. So, 8 means positive 8. So, we have to go to the right side. So, we have to move step by step. So, how many steps I am moving? 8 steps I am moving. So, I am marking 8 on the number line. Next, which integer lie between -8 and -2? Which is the smallest and largest integer among them? First, I want to mark -8 and -2. Which integer lie between -8 and -2? -7, -6, -5, -4, -3. Lie between -8 and -2. I told you when we are moving to right side of the number -8, so the value will be increasing. Value will be increasing. So which is the smallest and largest integer among them? -8 is smaller. -2 is largest integer among this. Next, for example, I am going to do. One doll is kept at -4. Here -4, I am keeping one doll here. In which direction, how many steps should we move to reach at -8? -8 is here. So, left side direction, isn't it? Okay, how many moves? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many moves? 4 moves left side direction. Okay. Which number will be reached if we move 4 steps to the right of -5? Where is -5? Here is -5. This is the right of -5. So how many steps? 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So what is the answer here? -1. The next one. Addition of integers on number line. We are going to add 3 and 5 on number line. Okay, 3 and 5 on number line. We have to go to the place 3. Plus means we want to go to the right side. So how many moves? 5 moves. So our answer is 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, another example, -3 and -5. First we have to go to -3. Where is a -3? Here -3. We want to add which number? -5. Minus means we want to go to left side. How many moves? 5 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. So what is the answer? -8. Next one. 4 more than 5. So we want to go to 5. More than means increasing value. Less than means decreasing value. So I am here 5. So I have to move 4 more than 1. 4 step I have to move. 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? 9. Subtraction of integers on number line. First one, 8 minus 2. First I have to go to the position 8. Subtraction. How many? So left side I have to come. 2 moves. 1, 2. So answer is 6. Here 3 less than 6. I want to go to the place 6. Less than means left side. So how many moves? 3 moves. So 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. Next, add the following integers. Before going to the sum, we are adding two numbers, two integers. We get a positive integer. For example, 2 positive integer, 6 is a positive integer. We get a positive integer 8. Next, when two negative integers, we are adding two negative integer, we will get a negative integer. So 7 plus 11, 7 plus 4, 11 minus 11. Okay. Next, when we are adding minus integer and positive integer and a negative integer, we want to subtract the numbers and we want to put the bigger sign of the number. For example, -6. I told you negative integer and a positive integer. If it comes here, we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. 6 minus 5, 1. So we want to put the bigger number sign. So what is the bigger number? -6 is the bigger number. So we want to put the bigger number sign. Then I told you the positive integer, and we are adding a positive integer and a negative integer. We also subtract from bigger number to smaller number. 4 minus 2, 2. We have to put the bigger number sign. So -4 is the bigger number. So we have to put the bigger number sign. Once more I am telling you, When we are adding two positive integers, we get a positive integer. When we are adding two negative integer, we will get a negative integer. When we are adding a negative and a positive and a positive and a negative, we have to subtract and we have to put the bigger number sign. Next, coming to the multiplication of integers. When we are multiplying two integers, for example, 3 into 4, we get a number 12. When two positive integers we are multiplying, we get a positive integer. 3 is a positive integer, 4 is a positive integer, we get a positive integer 12. When we are multiplying two negative integer, we get a positive integer. For example, minus 6 into minus 3 equal to 6 3s are 18, minus into minus plus. Next, when we are multiplying a positive and a negative or negative into a positive, we get a negative integer. For example, 4 into minus 3 equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 12. When minus 2 into 9. 9 2s are 18. Minus into plus minus. So, when we are multiplying a positive and a negative integer or negative and a positive integer, we always get a negative integer. Next, fill in the blanks with greater than, lesser than or equal to sign. First, we have to remove the bracket. So, first one I am doing here. Minus 21. So, minus 10 equal to, sorry, dash minus 31 plus into minus minus 11. Okay. Next, I told you minus 21 minus 10 we have to add. So 31 we have to put minus sign. Here minus 42. Minus 31 minus 42. Which is greater? Minus 31 is greater. The second one 45 we have to remove the bracket. Minus into minus plus 11. Next 57 plus into minus minus 4. 56, 53. 56 is greater. Thank you.